Hello, everybody. I'm Seth Weissman, and welcome to another episode of Safe Real Estate. Today, I actually want to talk about a subject that you may want to raise with your buyers about cutting down trees. And what you may not be aware of is that Georgia has an exceptionally punitive law. If you happen to cut down a tree, even by mistake, on a neighbor's property. And what the law says is if anyone cuts down a tree on a neighboring property, they are liable to the neighbor for a whole bunch of things. They are liable for the value of the tree. They are liable for 3 times the value of the tree. They are liable for reforestation costs, and they are liable for attorney's fees. So you could have a situation where a new property owner decides to put up a fence, and let's say they put it 1 or 2 feet over on the neighboring property, and in the process they happen to cut down some trees. Or let's say they're doing some new landscaping, and in implementing their landscape plan, they happen to go over onto the neighbor's property. The way this law is written, it doesn't matter if you cut down a tree as a result of a mistake or some intentional act. Either way, under the state statute, you are liable for all of those damages. So we recently had a case where a home builder was preparing a lot for development and was accused, falsely as it turns out, of cutting down just a few trees on a neighbor's property. The neighbor hired an arborist who, of course, said, these trees are worth a tremendous sum of money. And by the time he calculated his damages as a neighbor, he had a lawyer send a letter saying, we're glad to settle this case, and the amount you owe us is $250,000. And the lawyer in question was telling me about a case he had recently settled where just 1 tree was cut down in DeKalb County, and he was able to extract a settlement that was in excess of $100,000. Now, frankly, I think this law goes a bit too far. I think the law should probably be changed to create a distinction between mistakes and intentional acts, but that is not how the law is written at the present time. So as a courtesy to your home buyers, this may be a subject that you want to raise with them so that none of them buy a house, cut down by mistake some trees, and suddenly find themselves as defendant on claims exceeding 6 figures. I hope this video has been beneficial. As always, it's great to see everyone. Please continue to tune in. Bye now.